Pete, just mark him when he comes across the field, okay? Bruno, you got to be aware, right wing. That's you, Connor. Outside, 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 outside. Here we go. Ryan, fall back. P, mark him. P, just stay right there until we get the ball off the field. Connor, middle. Connor, mark up number 2.
Luca, all the way behind your head, buddy, all right?
You gotta mark him. Ryan, mark right there behind you. We can't let him float in the middle.
Mano.
Be ready, Owen! Owen, be ready! Wake up! Connor, you should be in the middle. You should be in the middle.
Go, Ryan!
Dyer throw. Connor, play your middle. Ryan, you gotta get it down the line. T, don't let him touch your face. Watch it.
Ryan,
Let's
go,
go, let's go.
Ryan, go!
Come on. What's going on? Let's not get too ticky-tack, all right? Come on.
I caught it both ways.
Connor, stay middle. Ryan. Move in front.
Good job, Connor, go!
Stars, that's ours.
Good body, Connor.
No turn, no
Go,
turn.
Connor, go! Ryan, get up
Go,
there.
Hudson. Stay on him, Pete.
Pete.
Come on, let's go.
Ryan,
Pete, go back to the wing.
Hudson, stay in the middle, man. Trust Connor.
Backside, Pete. Backside.
Stop, Connor.
Connor, stay in the middle.
It's a high kick.
Ryan,
Down the
go,
line.
Ryan,
Get rid of it.
go!
Yes,
Go!
get rid of it.
One more.
Go, Pete.
Good.
Turn and go.
Get rid of it. Connor, move up.
We gotta talk.
Roberto, Luca, Connor, move up. I just can't understand it. Stay middle, Connor. Hudson, come this side. Roberto, mark there. Pete. Connor, stay middle. That's it. It's supportive Sunday. I can't be doing this. Connor, play the middle. Mark up. Hudson, what if he comes running? You got to be able to see both man and ball. Come on.
Control it, Luca. Nice and easy, dude.
Owen, you should be like this. Owen, you should be like this.
Nothing rushed. Easy pass. You got this.
Connor, move back a little bit. Not out of bounds.
Get there!
Connor!
Follow.
Win this, Connor. Win this, Connor. Stay on him. Pete.
Good ball, I love it.
Connor, good job.
Slow it down. Slow it down.
Pete, go back to your wing, Pete. Go back to your wing, Pete. Backside.
Hudson, get back to the middle.
You got options, O.
I told him to throw it.
Outside.
They're giving him that
Good job, Connor, go, Hudson!
Keep going.
Pete, you gotta
Ryan,
move
Tiger,
up on
Tiger,
your
Tiger,
wing.
Tiger.
Go, buddy! Ryan!
Ryan, stay back, dude. Offside, bro. Stay on.
Tiger, guys. No offside. Tiger. Get it out. Get it
Hudson,
out.
get in the middle.
Get out, Pete. Let's go, speed.
Go, Pete, get up there!
Release. Send him into space.
Put in the middle.
There it is. There it is. Why are we not
Pete.
Good ball, Pete. Find feet, find feet.
Same thing. Get in there.
Recycle. Pete, knock this out, Pete. Good. Connor, watch your backside.
There you go, buddy.
Bruno, beautiful.
Cross.
Back up, ball.
Good. Way to get a foot on that, Luca.
Connor, mark up middle. No way this kid dribbles through both.
We gotta keep running.
Boys! Connor, Luca! Why did we give up on that ball? It's a 2-on-1! Guys, move back in the box
Hudson.
a little bit. They're running in! Move back in the box!
Look up.
Go, Ryan, go.
Hudson. Cheat high, buddy. Cheat high. Higher.
Touch! Good touch, Hudson!
Cross.
Connor, move up!
Go quick. Throw it in.
Quick.
Throw it in. Play.
Ryan, in the box! Roberto, when you throw in, you gotta come back! Ryan, get wide.
We gotta be
Get
moving.
wide,
We
back
have
up.
to be moving.
Backside, Ryan.
Someone check to the ball.
Right. There it is. There it is. There it is. Let's go! Good ball, Berto! Ryan, we're gonna be there, dude. You gotta follow. Great crash, Ryan.
Aggressive all day like that, Ryan. Beautiful.
Defense, lock it in. Nothing. Berto, you got the freedom, but once you do that, you gotta come back.
Another one.
Settle. Outside, good.
Get it.
Where are we marking, Ryan? Hudson, mark here. Right behind you. Goal side, get behind him, Get behind him, Ryan.
Ryan, he wants to go over your head and spin. Get behind him. On his back like a book bag.
Lock that middle up, Connor. Stay middle. That's your ball, Ryan.
Go.
Connor, not in the middle, you gotta boot it.
Good touch, dude.
Good. Again. Good,
Good,
Hudson, good steal. Stay up.
Stay with it.
He's got it.
Look at Connor.
Shield.
Play it back.
Good. Brett, you got a penny? Come on. We're gonna go get Hudson at strike. Come here. Back to you, Ryan. There it is. Again. It's up.
Not in a corner, coach.
Come here, Brett. Left. Bruno, take the corner. Connor, go right where the ref is. Luca, middle.
Roberto, some air. Some air.
Some air, Roberto. You got to get back. Hudson, move up. We're running into the goal. There it is. There it is. Stay on it.
Good try, dude.
Beautiful, 11.
Come on,
Hey,
bro.
Ryan, way to get a foot on that,
Good
dude. Anything on it, beautiful.
Shield over there, dude. Good shield. Stay with it.
Alright, keep it up, Diane, let's go!
1 minute, Franklin, get a jersey. Diamond! Only Britain! Stay middle, Connor. Go. That's ours, Britain. Win it, Ryan, win it. Help. Backside, Pete. Luca, just stay in front. Stay in front, Luca.
Good job, Luca.
Good, Connor. Stay outside.
Hey, Luca. Beautiful, but kick it to the side, Luca.
Don't let him run in. No, Connor, move up. Don't let him run in. Owen, attack everything. Bruno. Pete, touch. Roberto, be there, recycle. Franklin. Stop. Ryan, get wide. Ryan, wider.
Take your time.
Oh.
Hey, good work, boys. Good work.
Good ball movement.
Get patience, Ryan.
Control it.
That's Owen. Outside, get it out. That Brendan. Connor, at you, move up. Run through it. Ryan, get wide, dude. Look at P, look at P. Look at P. Ryan, cross that field. There it is.
Keep going.
Nothing behind you, Franklin. Be strong.
Get a penny for Mondo, man. Connor's
Ryan, get wide, dude.
Get back.
Get him, Franklin.
Stay on it, Franklin. Stay hard. No
Good
foul.
job, Franklin.
beautiful, Franklin.
Franklin. Get it, Ryan.
Ryan, get that ball.
Get that ball, Ryan.
Come on, boys.
Everything outside, boys.
A good positioning, Britton.
MP.
That's what I said, right? You should know. I said it 3 times. Let's go. Lock in. Outside!
Paisley.
Outside! Outside!
Control it.
Dribble it up if you got room.
That's ours. That's ours, Britton. Spread out. Connor's
Control
got
it.
it.
Control the ball, guys. You got time.
You got time here. It's okay. Subs.
Leave it, leave it.
Wings.
Fair ball.
Pete, Ryan. Connor, take a breath, guy.
Recover, dude.
Right in the
This is a
middle.
recovery time.
Hey, 1 minute, I'll get you out, okay?
I know you're good.
Ryan, quick drink. You're going back in.
Stay wide.
Come on, Britton. You got it.
Come on, Britton. Just play your game, dude. Play your game, baby. We got to mark up here, though. We have to mark up 22. Ben, we're on D, man. Move up. Help.
Throw it.
Connor, mark him. Right here.
It's a throw.
Britton, shade over this way a little bit. Outside, outside. Milo, slump chair is not what I like to see. Be ready.
We know where they're running. Block their path.
Get it out. Good job, Owen.
Down the field, let's go. Owen, throw it.
Let me see that shortstop arm, buddy. That's where his skills live in his confidence.
Get up there.
Milo, that's what you got to do.
Put a lot of pressure. Don't let him get out this corner.
Penny.
A lot of pressure.
Up the line.
Can't let him just do that. Stop ball.
Stay in front, Franklin. Throw down the middle. Go.
I'm not sure. Are you?
Touch, touch.
Ryan, get a penny.
Mano.
Win that, Connor. Win that, Connor.
Stay in front of him.
Be
Watch
ready,
that
Owen,
cross.
be
Watch
ready.
that cross.
Don't stab.
Come over here, guys.
Good. Go. Win it, man.
Oh, Roberto, right wing.
Control it.
What?
You got time, Franklin. You got time.
Listen,
Release.
don't worry about it.
Let's go. Let's go.
Play the spot that I answered.
Good job,
Good, Franklin. Get up, get up.
Don't stab it.
Subs, Ben, I need more energy. Roberto, Connor. Boys, I need more energy. Ben, you got to get in there and dig that ball out. Let's go. Nice shot. Good break.
Come here, Roberto.
Milo side. Franklin, where should you be? Move up! Right, Milo, move up!
Drop back. Ben, drop back.
Outside, Ben. Stay outside. Good, Franklin. Stay outside, Ben.
Go, Mondo, go.
Get rid of it. Good.
Get wide.
Go, 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 go. Nice play, Rush. Back. Good, Ryan. Lock it in. Lock it in. What's up, Ryan?
There you go, Ben.
Ryan, if you do get a head of steam, take it. But
Quick.
There you go.
Help him, man, help him.
Look at Mondo. Look at Mondo.
Cross, Britton.
Take space. Take
Spread that
space.
field, Mondo. Get wide, buddy.
Come on, Mondo, get that ball.
Play on. Play on. Nah, play on. Bet Ryan, 22, mark him.
Supportive Sunday. Great job, Mondo.
Ryan,
Supportive
mark
Sunday.
22. Milo, you got it. Get up, get up. Milo, it's what you've been asking for.
Ben,
Be ready to
Ben,
crash.
get to that box, Ben.
Ben,
Ben, to the box.
Be ready to crash. Why you got it? It's right in front of us. Win this. Outside, outside, outside. Owen, you can't just throw it out. You can't give it away. Fake that way, come back this way then. Mondo, come down!
Hey, way to recover, Franklin.
Keep running, Mondo.
Beautiful!
Ryan, move up! Back up now. Back up. Good ball, Brendan. Defense, back up. Back up. Good settle. Yes.
Hey, move up. Ben, you got to move forward, dude.
Good communication.
Whoever's in the middle, call the ball. Ben, you see Ryan's guy. You got to get wide, dude. Come on, you have to.
Hey, yo, oh, you got that much time? Drop it, push forward, boot it.
Owen, we talked about that. You could do that, dude.
If they give you that much space, dude.
Oh, wow.
That's what they're calling him before.
Let's go, Britton.
Let's go.
Music, Britton, music.
You right. There it is. That's ours.
Cross that box! Cross the box!
Way to be there,
Good run,
Britton.
Brendan.
Good shot,
Way to be there, Britton. Good ball.
Shot, Brendan.
Good job, Britton. All right, Britton.
That's right, Ryan.
Go!
Again. Heat.
Crash the box. In the box. Paisley, get a penny.
Nail it.
Get it.
Crush it! Ryan, move up.
Ronald.
Ryan, move up. Ryan, move up.
Go back. Play the handball in the box.
Good job, coach.
Good rip, Ben.
Beautiful, Milo.
Stay wide, Ben.
Stay wide!
Stay wide, Ben.
Good, good.
That's wide.
Keep it in!
Franklin, that was good. Just like that, dude, all day.
Ben, you're fine. Mark up. Let's go. Get the ball.
Down the line!
Ryan, watch here. Watch here. Good, Franklin. Real good. Ryan, move up. Ball right there. Hudson.
Ben, back post.
Ben, get wider. You're going in as striker. Yep.
Our ball.
Let's go. Quickly.
White ball. Aggressive, dude. Aggressive.
Connor, are you ready? You good? Grab a penny, but don't come yet.
Stay in line with 12. Stay in line with 12.
There you go.
Foot down.
Ben, right there.
Delay.
Good, good.
There you go, Milo.
Back the meal, Ryan.
Good touch,
Connor.
Mondo.
That's it, Hudson.
There you go, Hudson.
Stay in there.
Come on.
Going in for Ryan.
Control the ball, Mondo.
Hudson, get back to the middle.
Go get him.
Same thing. Come on. Come on, boy.
Quick break, Ryan. Good job.
Mondo, control, Mondo.
Good job.
Control, Mondo.
Like 4 minutes.
I got, yeah, you're right. Yeah, you're on point. Said 23, right? With no subs?
Not mine. It actually is. It's not mine.
Get up there. Get up.
Not yet. I'll tell you guys.
Get him on the
Let's go, boys. Stay with it. Come on. Energy.
Come on, Mondo.
Connor, check to the ball. Check to the ball, Connor. There he is. Take it. Back it up, Connor. Sprint back, Connor. Good. Stay middle, Connor. Don't ball chase. Good, Franklin. Good shield. Good. Help him. Good,
There you go,
Stay
Franklin.
on it.
Send it.
That's Connor. Hudson, turn your hips.
Win ball. Subs.
You know what this means?
Good.
Hudson, get to the middle.
Go ahead, go get him. Left wing.
Hey, Franklin, feet glued to the ground, okay? Don't lift them. Luca, feet glued. All right, don't lift them.
Middle, Connor. Careful
Hudson,
here.
get to the middle.
Paisley, get in front of him. Shield him. I want the ball. Hudson, we're going to need help getting the ball for field. Help.
Oh.
Mondo, watch 4. Connor, mark somebody.
So, but Wednesday night, your team.
Outside.
Get it
Outside.
out.
Hudson, pop up.
Get it, Pete. Get it.
Pop up.
Send it. Got it, girl. Get on. Jump over. Go overlap, Pete. Go to the middle. Go to the middle, Pete.
Shot. Shot. Play it back. Recycle.
Middle.
Move, Hudson.
There it is. Good ball. Connor, your show.
Control, Mondo. Control, Mondo.
Back up. Pressure. There it is.
Way to cut that off, Mondo.
Paisley, move up. We need help. Pete, a lot of time. You can recycle it too if you need to.
Good.
Stay with it. Good girl. Stay on him. Good idea, Connor.
Hudson.
Recover, let's recover.
Hudson, your playback, you gotta cut. Give and go, dude. You can't stand still after a pass.
Noted, though. Noted. Absolutely noted. Guys, we got like 1 minute, okay? Hold D.
Get behind 22. Somebody, get behind him.
Back up. Good, Luca. Crash, P. Crash, P.
Easy. Play.
Watch it, Connor.
Keep battling, man.
Good, Berto.
Go.
It's ours corner, right? There it is!
Go.
That's ours! Crash!
Go get it.
Connor! Oh. Pete, get wide. Guys,
Go,
Connor! Connor, move up! Bruno, Connor, move up! Bruno, move up!
Come on, Bill, get back.
We got it, Chris. Backside P. All right.